Hello students, today I am going to explain you topic parabola. Para, Parabola. Okay. So first of all, let me explain you what is the definition of parabola. So parabola, it is a collection of all points, or you can say the set of all points. Here I am writing one. It is the collection, or you can say set of all points. Collection of all points. Collection of all points in a plane. Okay. In a plane. In a plane, and what is the condition? Condition is there that the points are equidistant, means they are at equal distance from a fixed line. So here I'm writing in a plane that are equidistant, equi that are equidistant from a fixed line, from a fixed line. Okay, parabola is nothing, it's just a collection of all points, collection of all points which are equal distance from a fixed line. See here, let us suppose this is your parabolic shape here. So here our fixed line is this one. Let this line is L. So it is a collection of all points. You know, this curve is made up with lot of points are here. Okay, it is a path of all points. So here I'm considering any point. Let these points, 3 points are here. Let one point is B1, second point is B2, and third point is B3. Okay. And let this is your focus. This is the focus of parabola. So it is a collection of all points which are equal distance from a fixed line. From a fixed line, first of all, we are considering a case of fixed line because this is a fixed line. If we are considering this is your fixed line, so equal distance from a fixed line. Let this point is your B1, this is B2, this is B3, and not only from fixed line, and from a fixed point also. Okay, collection of all points which are at equal distance from fixed line and fixed point. So two things we should know about their fixed point and fixed line. This is a fixed point. This fixed point is called a focus. Focus. So collection of all points which are at a equidistant from a fixed line as well as from a fixed point. And this fixed line, this fixed line, this fixed line is called directrix of a parabola. It is called directrix of parabola. And this fixed point is called focus. So you should know about these two things. Directrix, what is the directrix of parabola, and what is focus of a parabola. Focus of parabola is fixed point, and directrix is fixed line. Okay, now let me explain you some more things here. See, parabola, here two words are there, para plus bola. Okay, you can write this one, para parabola. Okay. Para means for and bola means throwing. This is for and bola means throwing. See, what is the meaning of for? Means for throwing. When we throw any ball, then it will make a shape of like this one. Okay, or if you throw ball like this one upwards, then make a shape like this one. Okay, so these shapes are called, yes, shapes are all parabolic shapes. Okay, so parabola are mainly of four types of parabolas are there. So here I'm writing four types of parabola. First parabola is your right-handed parabola. A right-handed parabola. Right-handed parabola. And second is your left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola. This is your upward parabola. This is your downward parabola. Okay, let me explain you one by one what is right-handed, what is left-handed, what is upward, and what is downward parabola. A right-handed parabola. So first of all, here I'm writing the equation of this different parabola. Equation of right-handed parabola. Right-handed. See, you know, axis we have two x and y axis. X axis we are considering horizontally, and y axis we consider mainly vertically. So as we are saying right-handed, so right hand sides means along x-axis. Okay, so right-handed. So equation of parabola, right-handed parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Okay, so here vertex of parabola is at origin, and the curve is along a x-axis. So how to check? You have to check 4a. If 4a is multiplying with x, positive x, then it means the equation of parabola is along positive x-axis. So here this is a right-handed parabola. This is your y square equal to 4ax. If this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, then this curve is your right-handed parabola, and here vertex is at origin 0 comma 0. Remember, here vertex we are considering 0 comma 0 always. Okay, this is your axis, x-axis, this y-axis, and this parabola is along x-axis. Okay, and if you are considering this is your fixed line, see, if parabola is along x-axis, positive axis, then you have to consider your fixed line here. So fixed line is parallel to y-axis, and let this distance is your a distance. Let this distance is a. If this distance is a, then what is the equation of this one line? You know, a line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis is either x equal to a or x equal to minus a. So this is for left hand side. So equation of this line is x equal to minus a. It means equation of directrix for this parabola is x equal to minus a, and let this is your focus. That this is your focus. Okay, let this is your focus. Then let this point is your at a distance c. So here coordinates are c comma 0. So coordinates of focus are c comma 0, and equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. Okay, or you can also consider here same distance, let's say, because we are considering the same distance, as we know, see, distances are same. So here C is equal to A. So here I am considering this distance is also equal to A. So here coordinates are A comma 0. Okay. Now here I am explaining here one more thing. See, a line which is perpendicular, or which is passing through the focus, line which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. See this one line. Let this line is your A, B. See this line. This line is called lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. So what is lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is a line segment. Which is always passing through the focus. Okay, and always perpendicular to the axis. So this line segment is called lattice or rectum. Okay, now equation of lattice rectum. I will discuss this one later on. First of all, let me explain you your left-handed parabola and upward parabola and downward parabola. Left-handed parabola, similarly, left-handed parabola, this is right-handed. Now left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola is your y square equal to minus 4ax. Now see here 4a is going to multiply with negative of x. It means this is a left-handed parabola. Always you have to check 4a. When 4a is multiplying with x, then parabola is always along x-axis. So it is multiplying with negative of x-axis. So it means your parabola is your negative sides. That is your left-handed parabola. So here your parabola is look like this one here. If this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis, this is your negative of x-axis. Similarly here focus. So coordinates of focus are your left side. Here coordinates become minus a comma 0, and directrix will come this side. So equation of directrix become x equal to a. See here directrix x equal to minus a. Here directrix equation of directrix x equal to a. Okay, and this is your lattice rectum. Okay, and now next is your upward parabola. Upward parabola, no upsides. This is your, so upward parabola is x square equal to 4ay. Now see here 4a is going to multiply with y. It means your parabola is along a y-axis. So as 4a is multiplying with positive y-axis, it means your parabola is here along positive y-axis, means upward parabola. So here parabola is like look like this one, upward parabola. This is your upward parabola. If parabola is along this one, now again same thing. So your directrix will come here. Now your directrix will come here. So here this is x-axis. So any line which is parallel to x-axis is always your y equal to a or minus a. As it is downward side, so your equation of directrix become y equal to minus a. Y equal to minus a, and vertex always we have to consider 0 0. Here in all four cases we have to consider vertex is 0 comma 0. Let this is our focus. So again focus points are here. If we are considering here, so again focus are here 0 comma a, because this is your y-axis, only y coordinate is there, and this is your lattice rectum. Okay, now your downward parabola. Now downward parabola equation is x square equal to minus 4ay. Now see here 4a is going to multiply with negative of y. It means the parabola is along negative of y-axis. So your downward parabola is like this one. If this is your x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis, and your directrix will come here. Now equation of directrix become y equal to a. Okay, and focus is your 0 comma minus a. Focus is 0 comma minus a because it's a downward sides, and this is a lattice rectum. Now equation of a lattice rectum. Here I am going to explain you equation of a lattice rectum also. Always remember the equation of lattice rectum in all the four shapes of parabola is same, that is 4ak. So equation of lattice rectum is always 4a in case of a parabola. In case of ellipse and hyperbola, this is a different one things, that is 2b square upon a. But in case of parabola, for all shapes, your equation of lattice rectum is 4a. Okay. Now here I'm explaining you how to solve an equation. Okay. Okay, if before that, let me explain you one thing. If in question they are asking about here in this parabola, what is the equation of axis? See, equation of axis. Here it is along x-axis. So equation of axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Y equal to 0. So here also. Okay. Now here it is along y-axis. So equation of y-axis, x equal to 0. This is the equation of axis. Now let me explain you one by one here how to solve a question related with your parabola. Here I am considering a question from your exercise only. Let me consider one question. So see here, question is you have to find the focus axis of parabola, equation of directrix and length of lattice rectum for the given equation of a parabola. So here I'm considering, suppose your question is, this is your question number 5th of 11.2. So here given equation, first of all we have to write given equation. Given equation is your y square equal to 10x, give it as number 1. Now see here, now we can compare this is equation with y square equal to 4ax. So compare it with y square equal to 4ax. Why we are comparing this one with y square equal to 4x? Because see, from this equation we can conclude that this 10 is going to multiply with x, so it is along x-axis. So here that's why it means parabola is along x-axis only, as it is positive, so it means right-handed parabola is this one. So here we are comparing it with right-hand parabola. Now see here, 4a is equal to 10, so therefore we have 4a equal to 10, or value of a is 10 by 4, that is by 4 5, say 5 by 2. Now value of a is your 5 by 2. Now we can calculate one by one. First of all, they are asking about the coordinates of the focus. So as we know, the coordinates of focus for right-handed parabola, your coordinates of focus are a comma 0. So we can write it is 5 by 2 comma 0. Now second thing is your axis of parabola. Now axis of parabola, as parabola is along x-axis only, positive x-axis, so equation of parabola is, equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. And third one, they are asking equation of directrix. Now equation of directrix, now as we know, if parabola is right-handed, then your directrix will come on left side, so that is parallel to y-axis. So equation of line of parallel to y-axis is x equal to minus a for left side. So here x equal to minus a. So this implies your equation become x equal to minus 5 by 2. And now fourth one is length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is your 4a. 4 into 5 by 2 to the 4, so this is 10. So length of lattice rectum is 10. Now by using this one you can solve all the question look like this one. Now here I'm explaining one more question. if we have already given our coordinates, axis, equation of directrix or length of lattice rectum, then how to create a equation of parabola? So here I'm considering one more example from your book only. Here I'm taking example. Okay, question number 7. Okay, see question number 7. I'm considering question number 7 of 11.2. So what is given? Given focus is 6, 0 and directrix is your x equal to -6. Now see here, you can compare. This is the focus. This is a comma 0. This is x equal to -a. Now you know very well a comma 0 and x equal to -a. A comma 0. A comma 0 is are the focus of right-handed parabola. And see, this is your x equal to -. It means directrix is left side. So again, this is your this is from your right-handed parabola. So here we can say as we have given a right-handed parabola, so therefore here a is equal to 6, because see, after comparing this one, either you can compare with x equal to -a or with a comma 0, you will get value of a is your 6 only. So here a is equal to 6. So therefore required equation of parabola. A required equation of parabola is right hand parabola y square equal to 4ax. Now put the value of a, it becomes y square equal to 4 into 6 into x. So therefore y square equal to 24x. This is your required answer. Okay. By using same technique you can solve for remaining question also. Okay. Now I'm going to explain you one more very important things, 1 mark question for 1 mark question and for your competitive exam. Okay, this is very important about the centricity. So here I'm writing the centricity. A centricity of, always remember, here I'm writing CTM, it is comic to memory. So eccentricity, always remember, eccentricity, which is denoted by E. Okay, this one eccentricity I will explain you in my next one video. So eccentricity, always remember eccentricity for parabola, value of eccentricity for parabola, eccentricity always equal to 1. Number 1 and number 2. For ellipse, eccentricity of ellipse is always greater than 0 but less than 1, or you can say eccentricity is always less than 1 for in case of ellipse. Now for parabola, for hyperbola, eccentricity is always greater than 1. Okay, always remember these 3 things. Suppose in a question you have given the value of eccentricity is your 4, and they are asking what is the equation of the curve, or which type of curve you will get. So see here, eccentricity is 4, it means greater than 1, it means curve is your hyperbola. And if we have eccentricity is 0.34, then which shape you have? It means, see, eccentricity here, this is value is greater than 0 but less than 1, so it means we have given curve is an ellipse. Similarly, if we have a eccentricity value is 1, it means we have given parabolic curve. And always remember, if in exam they are asking what is the eccentricity of earth, eccentricity of, always remember eccentricity, because our earth is an elliptical shape, so uh, our eccentricity of earth is always lies between 0 and 1. So eccentricity of earth is, here I am writing a nearby value, that is eccentricity value of earth is approximately is equal to 0.01671. Always remember this one thing. Now see here, value of eccentricity is greater than 0 but less than 1. It means our earth is elliptical shape. Okay, I hope you got it all these points, and I hope you like this one video. Okay, thank you, have a great day.